How to fix Telegram login problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you are facing login problem on Telegram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're on Telegram trying to log in and you are not getting the verification code, here's how you can fix it. First of all, make sure that you're using your correct phone number and has the right country code. So select your preferred or the reason where you live and make sure that you have entered your phone number with your correct country code. After that, try once again, and if that still does not help you, the second option is to look for your internet connection. Make sure that you have strong internet connection. You could also try to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and check if that works out for you or not. If that still does not work for you, then check the SMS and Telegram application. The code may be sent in the Telegram application, not via SMS, so check that as well. If you cannot find it here, then you have to wait for a few minutes and try again. Telegram may delay codes for security, so wait for a few minutes and then you could try again. And if that still does not help you, then you have to contact with the Telegram support. For that, you could open up Google in your device and in the search bar, now you can search for a Telegram support. Head towards the first link on the interface. Then here you can send a request to the Telegram, or you can describe your problem and send it to the Telegram. After that, the Telegram support will help you back in order to solve your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.